Let's see how to configure Agent Assist. We typically set up Agent Assist for platforms like Jira, Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Zamad. So, let's dive into it. When it comes to Jira configuration, you'll need to have your Jira account set up. If you haven't done that yet, you can easily add a new account through Jira account integration. There's also a helpful video available to guide you through the Jira integration, and you can get your Jira account configured right here. Now, I'll go ahead and select the specific domain where I need to configure Agent Assist. You can choose the subdomain and simply click on Add. This action integrates my Jira Agent Assist into the Enjo workspace. Next, we'll handle Salesforce cases in a similar fashion. Select the Salesforce domain, proceed to the subdomain, and just like that, our Salesforce Agent Assist is configured within the Enjo workspace. We can apply the same process for ServiceNow. Select the ServiceNow domain and move on to the subdomain. With a simple click on Add, your ServiceNow Agent Assist is all set up. This process is the same for Zamad. For Zamad, choose the specific account, click on Add. Once an account is linked to an Enjo agent, trying to configure it again will result in an error message since it's already set up elsewhere. As shown, the Zamad account is now successfully configured. Within the Agent Assist setup for the Enjo workspace, we have various configurations available. The initial setup involves the General Recommendation Chat section and Agent Mapping. Under General, you'll find an option to enable Agent Assist, which you can toggle on or off for the desired platform. By enabling or disabling this toggle, you're effectively turning on or off the Agent Assist for the chosen platform. I'll go ahead and enable it. You can also update the main logo. The logo can be customized to suit your users. Just add or update it, and you can also change the Agent Assist name. Based on your organization's name, you can update the Agent Assist title. For example, I'll change it to Workday. You can also modify the button. There's a single button you can click to open Agent Assist. You can update its label too. I'm renaming it to Ask Me. Now about branding, there's an option for Enjo branding under Agent Assist. You can choose to disable or enable it as you wish. I'll keep it disabled. Let's talk about recommendations. The usage guide shows options like case summary, AI answer, relevant sources, and KB generation. All these can be enabled or disabled. There are various settings for generating case summaries, including detail level. Whether you prefer detailed or concise case summaries, you can select the fields from custom domains and applications to generate these summaries. It's similar for AI answers. For AI answers, you can enable or disable them. If needed, you can also manage whether sources are shown to the agents. This is part of managing AI agents. Manage AI agent involves agent mapping. Essentially, it connects the agent with the knowledge source to produce AI answers. It also covers relevant sources. Relevant sources are particularly for Salesforce cases. Enabling this feature lets you pull relevant knowledge indexes like Salesforce KB articles or cases. For KB generation, it creates a knowledge block based on the context in cases or work items from Salesforce, ServiceNow, or Zamad tickets. You can use a resolution source note for this. You can incorporate resolution notes from respective fields to generate them. Additional fields can be given to AI for KB generation. Plus, there's image support. If there are images in fields or custom sections, they can be converted to text for detailed descriptions in case summaries, AI answers, and KB generation. This wraps up the recommendation part of Agent Assist. In the chat section, there are conversation starters. When users open the chat, they see prompts for addressing advanced questions related to their issues. If there are follow-up questions, the system uses those to refine queries and deliver answers from the relevant knowledge source. Customer context is also key. If specific customer details need to be highlighted, you can add them, and they'll be used when answering agents' queries. Finally, agent mapping in Agent Assist is crucial. We offer two options, for all cases or specific cases. For specific cases, you can choose based on priority, origin, status, company name, phone number, customer, or product. For instance, you may select medium priority and save it. This allows multiple filters to be applied as needed. You can assign an AI agent based on configuration or knowledge sources, like for high-priority cases or by product. Different products can have distinct AI agents and knowledge sources. Let's say we choose this for high-priority cases. This configuration is consistent across platforms like Jira with Jira Agent Assist. We also apply this setup for ServiceNow and Zamod Agent Assist. You'll see, when we return to a case and refresh, our Salesforce Agent Assist configuration appears. Now you can view the case summary, AI answer, relevant sources, and KB generation. Similarly, in the chat section, you'll find the tailored configurations we just set. This is how you configure Agent Assist. Thank you.